Hi there, students. Okay, to sneeze at or to sniff at something. Okay, this is to be critical of it, to think that it's no good, to think it's of low rank or low importance, yeah? Okay, so the offer they made him, he just sniffed at it. He didn't think it was enough, yeah? In my opinion, the offer was nothing to sneeze at, nothing to be negative about, to view negatively. But he sniffed at it. He didn't think it was very good. Okay, this is like looking a gift horse in the mouth. We have a phrase in English that says, don't look a gift horse in the mouth. Okay, so if they give you something free, don't inspect it. But this is the opposite. This is where you sniff at the gift horse. You sneeze at it. Okay? Notice both of these phrases are particularly common in the negative. This is nothing to sneeze at. His offer of £1,000 for your car is nothing to sneeze at. I think you should take it. The car's awful. Okay? The offer of help was nothing to sniff at because there were a lot of people offering. Okay, so to sneeze at something, to sniff at something, to reject it as inferior, as unimportant. Okay, so anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Okay, to sneeze at something, to sniff at it.